Hey everyone, I am Nanshi Agrawal and welcome back to my channel. Now we will be solving today's Leetcode daily challenge, which is check if array is sorted and rotated. So this question is tagged with easy tag. So let's see what is this question and how we can solve it. So in this question, you have been given an array nums and we need to return true if the array was originally sorted in non-decreasing order, then rotated some number of positions including 0, otherwise return false. And there may be duplicates in the original array, and note an array A rotated by x positions result in an array B of the same length such that this is a modulo operation. Okay, so first let's see how in non-decreasing array can be rotated. Let's say if we have an array 1 2 3 4 5, this is an original non-rotated array, right? Let's say if we will rotate it by one index, then what will happen? 5 will come at this index and then 1 2 3 4. And let's say if we will rotate it one more time, then 4 will come in front, then 5, then 1 2 3. Let's say if we will rotate it one more time, then 3 4 5 1 2. If we will rotate it one more time, 2 3 4 5 and 1. If we will rotate it one more time, 1 2 3 4 5. So here you can see that we have reached to our original array. So in this question we have been given either can be a sorted array or a rotated sorted array, and we need to return true if the array is rotated by some index, otherwise we need to return false. So as you can see in this example, we have been given with this 3 4 5 1 2. As you can see here that this is the rotated array we have been given and this is our original array, right? If we will rotate it by 3 indexes, then this will become this. Okay, so how we can find out that whether this array is rotated and sorted? Okay, so one brute force approach could be like we have been given with 3 4 5 1 2. We will check whether this is sorted or not. No, this is not sorted. So we will rotate it one more time. Then what will it will become? 2 3 4 5 1. Then we will see whether it is sorted. No. Then we will again rotate it one more time. Then it will become 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, this is a sorted array. So in this way we can find all the rotations of an array and then check whether that array is sorted or not. And how we can check whether that array is sorted or not? Let's say there are 5 indexes and we need to check whether it is sorted or not. How we can check? We can check whether nums of I is less than nums of I plus 1 for the complete array, right? So in this way we can check whether the array is sorted or not. Okay, but see, if the size of the array is n, let's suppose, and we need to find all the rotations of array. See, here the size was 5, then how many possible rotations? How many rotations was possible? 5. So for all the possible rotations, let's say n rotations, we will have to check whether a particular rotation is sorted or not. And to check whether a particular rotation is sorted or not, we will again need to iterate in the complete array, which will also take big O of n complexity, right? So the complexity, if we will find each rotation and then check whether this is sorted or not, so this will give us big O of n square complexity. And according to the constants, as nums of length is less than or equals to 100, so it will be only 10 to the power 4, it will work. But can we optimize it further? Let's see. Okay, so what was the example? 3 4 5 1 2. Okay, 3 4 5 1 2. Okay, so see, we will start comparing from the starting. Is this sorted? Yeah, it is sorted. Is it sorted? Yes, this is also sorted. Is it sorted? No. There is one culprit here. This is sorted. Yeah, this is also sorted. But see, we will also need to check from here, because this is rotated at this point now. So we will also need to check whether the starting index element is greater than or not from the last index element. Yeah, it is also greater. So yeah, there is only one culprit in this example. Okay, so let's take one more example. 2 1 3 4. See, 2 is greater than 1. Oh, there is culprit. 1 is less than 3. Yeah, it's fine. 3 is less than 4. Yeah, it's fine. Oh, now we will when check 2 is less than 4. No, because 2 is less than 4 is wrong, because the first index element should be greater than the last index element, because this is rotated at this point. So 2 should come after 4, but then it will not be remain the increasing order array. So there are two culprits. So if the culprits are more than 1, then we will return false, because then the array is not rotated, then the sorted array is not rotated, right? Because if a sorted array is rotated, then there must be only one culprit, right? Because let's say if the array is not rotated, as in this example 1 2 3, then there is no culprit here, then there is no culprit here. What? 1 is less than 3, so here is this one culprit, right? So if an array is sorted or rotated, then the culprit should be one only, and if there are more than one culprits there, then the array is not the sorted array is not rotated, and we will return false, right? Okay, so let's see its code and then you will get a better idea. So first I will store the size of nums here, and then what we need to do, we need to find the breakpoints at which the condition didn't satisfy. So we will initialize it with 0, and then we will iterate in our nums. If nums of I is greater than nums of I plus 1, it means there is a culprit, and we will simply increment breakpoints plus plus, and after this loop we will check if nums of 0 is less than nums of n minus 1, then we will also increase breakpoints, and what will we return? We will return breakpoints is less than or equals to 1, right? If this condition is true, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Okay, so let's try run this. It's working fine. Let's try submitting it. Yeah, it's working fine. So let's talk about its time and space complexities as well. As you can see here, we are only doing one iteration for comparing all the indexes. So its time complexity will become big O of n, and as we have not used any extra space, so its space complexity will be constant, that is big O of 1. So yeah, this was all for this question. I hope you get it, but if you still have any doubts, then you can post in the comment section. I will surely try to answer them. Till then, bye guys, see you in the next video.